In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Skype call in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're catching up with friends, family, or even setting up a professional meeting, Skype is a fantastic tool that allows you to stay connected with people from all around the globe. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly make audio calls using Skype right from your web browser. First things first, let's head over to the Skype website. Once there, you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Click on it. This is particularly handy because you don't need to download anything. You can access Skype directly from your web browser. If you're not already signed in, the site will prompt you to sign in with your Skype or Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's easy to create one right there on the login page. Once you're logged in, your first port of call is the chat section. Here you'll find all your contacts and any previous chats you've had. Finding the chat section is straightforward. Look for the speech bubble icon or simply spot it in the sidebar. Skype's interface is quite intuitive. After navigating to the chat section, the next step is to find the person you wish to call. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list or using the search function if you have a lot of contacts. When you've found the chat with the person you want to call, just click on it to open up the conversation. This places you one step closer to making that call. Now for the main event, making the audio call, look towards the top right of your chat window. You'll see several icons, but the one you're interested in is the audio call icon. It usually looks like a phone or headset. Click on this icon to start your call. And there you go. Just like that, you've initiated an audio call to your contact on Skype directly from your web browser. It's simple once you get the hang of it, and before you know it, you'll be making calls like a pro. A little tip before we wrap up. Always make sure your microphone and headphones or speakers are properly connected and set up before making the call. This will save you from the awkward, "Can you hear me now?" conversation. That wraps up our quick tutorial on how to make an audio call using Skype. Whether you're reconnecting with old friends, touching base with family, or coordinating with colleagues, Skype makes it incredibly easy to stay in touch. Happy calling,